Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Quick Mill Silvano, beautiful little machine. It was brought in by Jennifer. Thank you for bringing it in. She was complaining that it did not have any pressure whatsoever. You turn it on, you run it, it would heat up, but it wouldn't put any water through the group head, wouldn't brew a cup of coffee. So we diagnosed it as a bad water pump. We've replaced the water pump, and now it's ready to go. Before we begin, I'm just going to test steam real quick. To confirm, steam is working. You see the pressure's good as well. And now we're going to draw that shot. I put in about 14 grams of coffee for this shot. It's coming out at a good pace. It looks pretty good too. But we kind of expect that from a quick mill, don't we? Yeah, we do. So there you go. It's working again. If you guys like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep making them. Thanks again.